Hi guys, this is Lucas. Today we're going to play the Disney Cars Lego set. So here's the Disney Cars Lego set. And so this number in the Lego set is 10745. And it's 5 and over 8 and up. And so we have Mack, Jackson Storm, Cruz, and Fabulous. So here's the oldest 4 cars. Here's the Big Mac. Here's the driving station. So let's open it. So here we have bag 1, bag 2, bag 4, bag 5, and bag 3. And so let's start to build. And so now I'm done with the Lego set, and so now I'm going to show you the review. We have Fabulous, Jackson Storm, Cruz, Luigi, Finish Line, and Mack. Let's play! Now going to Cruz and Fabulous go to the race. And so now Fabulous. And so let's drive to the race. Driving. And now we're back. Hi Jackson Storm, are you waiting for us? Yeah. So let's go to the race. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, I won. So let's start again. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. This time Jackson Storm won. Let's race. This time, Lightning and McQueen is the winner. He will get the piston cup. We will let McQueen thank. I think I'm going home. And some other Cruz. So let's go home now. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Click here to watch more videos.
Don't forget to subscribe.